Okay, earlier video we talked about fractions, how it looks like. But this video we're going to talk about different kind of fractions. Okay, so we have at least three different kind of fraction. We have at least three different kind of fraction. Number one is proper, number two is improper, number three is mixed fraction. Okay, let's take a look here. Proper fraction. So proper fraction is basically when numerator is less than its denominator. Okay, less than its denominator. So this example 3/4, which is 75 cents, if you like money, right? So 3/4, 3 is smaller than 4. I can come up with a many example, like for example 5 over 9, 7 over 8, 20 over 100, 1. Clearly see these are all my proper fraction. Why? Because on the denominator all of them are bigger, as you clearly see. Okay, sometimes I want to say proper means it's possible, it is okay, and improper I'm going to shift into improper, which is maybe doesn't, it's not proper, it's not normal, it's improper. So something numerator is greater, it's just opposite, greater than the denominator. So any integers on the number line can be an improper fraction. So I'm going to explain what does it mean. So 7 out of 4, as you see, 7 out of 4, this is big. This is big, right, on the numerator, versus this one is not that big. Okay, we can come up with many example. For example, 4 over 3, we can come up with 3 over 2, as long as, bottom line is, as long as your denominator is less than the numerator, or numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, now over here in this note I put down something, as you clearly see, any integers on the number line can be improper fraction. Okay, so let's take a look here. 5, if I divide by 1, I can divide any number by 1, still that would be 5. So I haven't changed the value of the number. So therefore 5 is also an improper fraction. Okay, good. Now mixed fraction is have a whole number and part of a whole number. So clearly $5 and 2/5, 5 and 2/5. Okay, any quantity. Okay, there is no unit here, right? I can come up with more actually. 3 and 2/4, or 2/5, I would say. 2/5, 5 and 8 over 9, as you see. Well, we can make up tons of them, as long as you have a whole number. As long as you have a whole number, this is the whole number, this is the whole number. As you see, that 5 is also a whole number, and you have a part of a fraction, so that is called mix. So I hope you have a clear idea with these three different kind of fraction. Now let's take a look here, a little bit analyze. Let me see you understand. So you're going to match it actually clearly, right? We're going to match it. So please take a moment here. By now you eyeball it, right? So which one matching with which one to the right side? Okay, so improper fraction, let's go with the proper fraction. So proper, is easy to come up with. Your numerator is smaller than denominator, so I see number 1 is smaller than 4. This is a mix clearly, and this is pi over 3, which is improper. So seems like I have this one here. Okay, I have that one here. All right, then improper fraction or mixed fraction, that's the mixed fraction. Good. And clearly that one is improper fraction. So I hope you understand with these three different kind of fraction, when the name changes and structure changes, number changes, we can identify easily when it is a improper, proper, or mixed number.